This is our simple greetings po sa aming mahal na customer na piniling mag-celebrate ng kanilang special day dito po sa South Wing. Kaya po, you may now wish and blow your candle po.
Thank you, South Wing.
Thank you. We were
Thank you,
choosing
everyone.
many restaurants, but
Guys.
God led us here. So, thank you so much.
Ready? Ready, set, go.
Go.
Happy
Yay!
birthday! At dahil po dyan, may handa kaming sayo po para sa inyo.
Wow!